Good morning, everyone. Let's quickly jump into the setups. So in front of us, we have the Dow yearly high low, currently between levels of 61.8 and 77 and support and resistance. If you look at moving averages, 8 is above 21, that's indicating trend is up. So we're still looking for that 89 target level there. On the monthly high low, Dow monthly high low, currently between levels of 127 and 161.8 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50, that's indicating trend is up. So with that, just looking for that 161 target level. On the Dow weekly high low, currently between levels of 77 and 61.8 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8, that's indicating trend is down. So we're looking now for a candle close below the 38.2, break previous candle low to aim for the 23.6 first TP, 11 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. Remember guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line, and as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the Dow daily high low, currently between levels of 0 and minus 127 as support resistance. Looking at moving averages, 21 and 8 looks to be crossing to the upside now. So with that, we want a candle close above the 0 level, break previous candle high to aim for the 23.6 first TP, 38.2 second TP, stop loss being halfway between 0 and minus 127. Remember guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On a US take yearly high low, currently between the levels of 0 and minus 127 as support resistance. If we look at moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8, that's indicating trend is down. So with that, we're still looking for that minus 161.8 target level. On a US take monthly high low, currently between levels of 89 and 100. Look at moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So we're still looking for that push above the 127 to aim for the 161.8. On the US take weekly high low, currently between levels of 38.2 and 23.6. We did get a candle close below the 23.6. Now we're waiting for a break of that previous candle. That is our trigger to go short. And with that, we're aiming for the 23.6 first TP, 11 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. And remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. When you use take daily high low, currently around the minus 161.8 target level there. What we're looking for now is a moving average crossover, so meaning 8 crosses 21 to the upside, and with that a candle close above the minus 127, break previous candle high to aim for that 0 target level. And remember guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. On the DAX yearly high low, currently between the levels of 38.2 and 50 as support resistance. If you look at moving averages, 8 is above 21, that's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want to push above the 61.8 to aim for that 89 target level. On the DAX monthly high low, currently above all the levels, we need to wait for moving average crossover to the downside before we can look for any indications. On the DAX weekly high low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. If you look at moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8, that's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want a candle close below the 38.2, break previous candle low to aim for the 23.6 first TP, 11 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. And remember guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the DAX daily high low, currently between levels of minus 127 and minus 161.8. We look at moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8, so we need to wait for a moving average crossover, so 8 crosses 21 to the upside, and with that a candle close above the minus 127, break previous candle high to aim for that 0 target level. Remember guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the Aussie yearly high low, currently between the levels of 89 and 100 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21, so with that push above the 100, we're aiming for the 127 target level. On the Aussie monthly high low, currently above all levels, we need to wait for moving average crossover to the downside. On the Aussie weekly high low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50, that's indicating trend is up. So we're looking now for a candle close above the 61.8, break previous candle high to aim for the 77 first TP, 89 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. Remember guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the Aussie daily high low, currently between the levels of 23.6 and 11. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8, that's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want a candle close below the 0 level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at 23.6. Remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. Guys, I thank you so much for joining in. Hope you have a fantastic day and all the luck with your trading. Cheers, guys.